Honey! Honey, I'm home! Honey? Honey, where are you? What in the devil is that?
Oh, God, yes! Oh, yes!
Honey? Honey, are you here? Honey?
Okay, you're done. Okay.
I'm sorry. Are you not finished?
No, I'm good.
You're good?
Honey, what the fuck is going on here? What the hell was that?
I don't know. He's not supposed to be home yet.
Well, he's home now.
Linda, what the fuck?
Jeffrey, it's not what it looks like. He came over to help me with my grading for the big test that was on
This is how you grade?
Yes!
Linda, who is he?
He's Cody from work.
Oh, okay, what is he doing here?
Oh, you know what he's doing here.
Linda, why?
Jeffrey, this was a long time coming. You can't tell me you didn't see this happening. When you left me at my mother's birthday, it was storming, Jeffrey. I had to walk home in the hail, Jeffrey, and Cody was there for me, and you never were!
Linda, your mother's birthday was at a farm, and look, I know things haven't exactly been going well lately, but I mean, Jesus Christ, Linda, Jesus Christ, Linda! Jesus Christ.
Hey, man, she doesn't love you anymore, so why don't you just get up and go and leave and just never come back?
I don't have to go anywhere. This is my house. This is my goddamn house. So why don't you get out?
All right, that's it, buddy.
Jeffrey, no! I can't believe he's really dead.
Oh my God.
Oh, God, Jeffrey. Why?
Oh my God.
I know we were having problems, but it didn't have to end like this.
Oh my God. Listen, you're not gonna pin this on me, right? I mean, he was right next to the stairs. I didn't
pushed him!
Listen, it wasn't my fault.
Shut up. You listen to me.
Where did you get that gun?
That was my husband, and you just...
Linda, don't do this. Don't do this, Linda.
I'm sorry, Cody.
Please, don't do this. You don't have to do this.
Oh my God. What have I done? Are we animals? Are we animals?